this is the place.
Yeah. There's one thing that's really bothering me about this. This is my house. So, why were we sent to my address? Who are you?
I've been expecting.
Luke!
What are you doing here?
Yeah, how did you get in my house?
Please, sit.
Okay. Before we go over anything, I need you to tell me, how did you get in my house?
The front door was locked. The back door was open.
Those naughty cats. Anyways, why are you here?
I have some very intriguing news to tell both of you. Well, as you know, I live next door to you, right? Well, I've also found out that you installed a doorbell system, video camera, at your door over here. And I've been hearing some very strange noises coming from it. Odd. I can't sleep. I need my beauty sleep, Jake. This isn't right.
Beauty sleep.
This situation's off the charts. What do you mean by weird noises?
It sounds more like a staticky Sasquatch, but it sounds very angry all the time.
So does it happen any certain time of the night or just when it gets dark? Because it's dark right now and everything seems fine.
Well, as you know, maybe, I fall asleep around 9 o'clock at night. And it usually awakens me around midnight. And it keeps me up all night, into the morning.
Well, why don't we just wait around for midnight and see if we can hear it ourselves?
We're certainly going to search around and see if we can find what's making the noise, considering that's my doorbell system.
Well, good. Well, fellas, it's past my bedtime. I'm going to bed. Will you please fix this?
Yes.
Thank you.
The only thing to do now is to wait till midnight. Until then, grab a book and relax. Oh, this is my favorite chapter. Alright. I believe that enough time has passed. If I read that clock right, it's about quarter till midnight.
Time to get into position.
Alright. This certainly is an odd situation, considering it's at my own house.
Yeah, and the fact that you haven't even realized it. It's only happening outside.
I will say, these walls are pretty soundproof. It seems fine to me.
Yeah, it's past midnight. Everything seems perfectly normal.
Sounds fine.
Yeah, I don't hear anything.
Just sounds like a regular doorbell to me.
Yeah, nothing out of the ordinary here.
Maybe we should do a little bit of searching.
Yeah, maybe just to be safe. Completely so.
There's no one here.
Nothing.
Let's go back into the living room. Something's not right about this.
Well, we've checked just about everywhere and there's no noise.
I don't know. Who could be knocking at this hour?
Luke? Get out here. Get out here, now.
Luke, what are you doing out here at this hour?
I thought I told both of you to fix this issue. All I keep hearing is noise, noise, noise. I'm tired. I just want to go to bed.
What are you talking about? We haven't heard anything.
What?
That.
What the heck is that?
That is what I hear.
What?
That noise.
What the heck? We gotta get in the house now. We're on the issue.
Well, good night.
I swear we checked everywhere. Where the heck are you going to be coming from?
Wait, listen carefully. I hear it again.
Yeah,
And this time it's in my house.
slightly. Oh yeah, I hear it too.
Did we not turn the light on? No, we didn't. We didn't check that corner.
We didn't, no. You think? The heck could it be?
What the heck is that noise?
What's wrong with him? What is he doing here?
Why is he sleeping in my garage?
Well, this must have been the issue all along. We have to wake him up.
Hey, Nick!
Where am I? Where am I?
Why are all these people in my house? What are you doing here?
Well, I was locked out of my house. That door was unlocked. So I came in, made myself at home, found a blanket, used the kayak, good to go. Actually pretty comfy.
And I never left my doors unlocked. The one time that I left them unlocked.
Well, you know, you're snoring. Somehow the frequency has been projecting outside through the doorbell camera and is annoying all the neighbors.
Whatever. Problem solved. Let's just go back over to the front door. Well, Ace Joshua, another case. Well done.
Absolutely, Detective Jacob.
I still have so many questions though.
I know there's so much we don't know.
Did you fix it?
Yeah, well, actually we did.
Because I've been sleeping so well for the past 5 minutes. It's been so great. What was the cause of the issue?
Well, you're looking at it.
You. I haven't been able to sleep for 3 weeks because of you.
3 weeks! You mean to tell me you've been sleeping in my garage and locked out of your house for 3 weeks?
Well, yeah, I can't find my keys.
3 weeks?
How did I not know?
I've been so grumpy for the past 3 weeks because of you.
Hey guys, look what I've had the whole time. I'm gonna go.
Hey, the back door's unlocked.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Well, fellas, it's been real.
night.
Good night.
That's another case for the books.
Absolutely. Until next time.
Till next time.
Do you want me to like come in at some point later on, like, oh my god,
Yeah.
did you figure it out?
Yes.
We'll be outside.
Or a robe or something I could wear with my hat.
I don't think so.
Well, as you know, I live next door. You're not. This is just for Christmas. Well, as you know, I live next door.